Okay, okay.
Do you,
You're
Deanna?
weird.
Be careful, man. Those things are...
It'll hurt you, and you'll get the fucking bird flu.
Jump up here.
It's not a dog.
Here, doggy.
He's like, leave me alone, but I don't really
You're
want
in
you
our
to.
hotel room. and if
Exactly.
I wanna hold you,
I don't
will
really
fucking
want
hold
you to leave me alone.
It doesn't seem too spooky.
Wait, throw a towel on him and then I
No,
can
Deanna, do not throw anything on him.
Actually, the best call.
Come here, you little fucking pigeon.
Yeah, do it with the towel.
Wait, let's take a picture.
You little fucking
Take a
angels.
picture.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
Jesus Christ. The bird flu. Ew, oh wait, I'm getting bird flu on my face. It was just right here. Stupid kid. You fucking stupid bitch. How dare you, pigeon? I had it. I wear it. You come up in here and I can't see you. Videotape me?
Yeah.
Stupid fucking pigeon.
Raiders.
You know
Raiders.
how many fucking faces that is? I saw there was some Raiders. My friend left a Raiders shirt at my house. I don't want it. You can have